How to add text to your videos in Capcut. Adding text to video in Capcut is absolutely not hard. Yes, it is not hard if you follow the steps in this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can add any text to your videos in Capcut. And that aside, note that in my next video, I will show you exactly, I will walk you through the step-by-step guide of getting the premium CapCut for free. So that is why you need to subscribe to this channel right now. Then ensure you turn on the notification for whenever I upload the video, you will be the very first person to get it. And don't forget, like this video, share to other, share your opinion in the comment section after you watch this video. And please, for that subscription, do it right now so that you will not miss my next video. When you share this video, you are helping this video to reach a large numbers of people. So without further ado, let's get started. I don't want to waste your time. So I'm going to be opening my CapCut. So let me just add new project. So let me just choose a random video. Let me choose this. Let's say this is a video. So now I want to add text. You can see. So it is more. It is a video. So how do we add text to it right now? What we have to do is first begin with this, tap on text. And where do you want the text to be? Do you want it to be on it from start to finish, or there is a particular place in the video you want the text to be? Whichever you choose, you can just do it. For instance, if you want it to start from to be there from the beginning to the end of this video, you just have to ensure that this white arrow is here. As you can see here. It must be here right now. So then tap on add text. So let me add text. A large serpent. A large serpent. Large serpent. So this is the text right now. Where do you want the text to be? Where do you want to place the text? Is it here, here, or here? Ensure you put it wherever that satisfies you. So, and you can enlarge it or you lower it. As you can see, just have to drag it, zoom it rather. Just have to zoom it. So as you can see, let's say I want the text to be here. I want the text to be here. Let me change the color. So I have changed the color. Let me give it so you can see this is the text. Now I'll be dragging it to the end of this video. You can see it will play till the end of the video. It will be displayed there. You can see the video will end now. You can see. So I have dragged it to the end of the video. Now another thing is that if you want it to be in a particular place, there is still one thing you can do. There is a way out for that. Let me cancel it. So I've cancelled it. So a large serpent. You can see. So where do you want it to be? whether in the at the end of the video or just in the beginning. If you want it to be in the beginning, just have to ensure you do it like this. So let's see. Yes, you see it disappeared in just seconds. Yes, it disappeared. You can see until the end of the video it will not show. You can see. So, and you can drag it, just long tap on it and drag it to wherever you want it to be. Even if you want it at the end of the video, after the whole video have played, you can drag it here. As you can see here, you can see. So you can drag it so wherever you want, and you can add as many text as possible just in one video. Yes, you can add as many as possible in one video. Please ensure you subscribe to this channel for more popular videos like this. I believe this video have helped you in one way or the other. Share your opinion in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you. Thanks and bye for now.